I'm a dog. Yes, I am a dog. Hello, I am a dog.
Okay, so you're a dog.
Yes, I am a dog. I like being a dog. And I will eat you. Yeah.
Okay, now you're following me on the bed. Please get off my bed. Ruff. Hi. I am another dog. I hope you're not annoyed. Please just don't be annoyed. Do not be think I'm annoyed just because there's two stupid dogs on my bed. This is a nightmare. Hey, that was mean. That's pretty messed up. Now I think my friend's crying. I'm not stupid. I don't want to be stupid. Oh gosh, now I think Freddy's here.
Indeed, I am here. Hello. I'm going to haunt you from your worst nightmares.
Okay, you're not supposed to be real. I don't know how reality lets you be real, but...
Hi, everybody.
Wich. What? How is this possible? So if y'all were in this situation, you'd be screaming like I am. What? Okay, this is not my real voice. I just like to scare people. Okay. World of Madness. Don't tell me Mario's gonna come out of nowhere. Did I just...
Me.
People think I'm awesome, but I'm actually pretty gay.
So you can change from being gay, you know that, right?
I'm not saying that happened to me, but you never know. The next day. Man, I had a weirdest dream. Like someone was looking over me in my bed. Or the door slammed. Footsteps. I think it was raining too. And of course, dog is still there. I hope you enjoyed my first video. Now, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I can be doing all random things, but if anybody ever likes this, don't expect me to make a video every day, because I'm hardly here. Bye.